Today we are presenting you one of the luxurious projects of Vile Parle West area. Yes, you heard it right. It is one of the most luxurious projects because it is spread across 3 acres of land parcel. It is having more than 25 plus amenities with multiple 15-story towers. Today we are seeing a 3-bedroom hall kitchen apartment which is done by the developer. It's a show flat. The carpet area of this flat is 1217. As you can see in the living area, you have a nice lovely balcony. You have multiple amenities in this as well: theater, swimming pool, cafe. You name an amenity and you will get it. Coming to the living and dining area, you see the nice lovely dining table as well. Let's start with the kitchen. After living and dining area, this is the kitchen with parallel countertops. Very nicely done up flat this is. Coming to the common washroom over here. From common washroom, let's have a look at the first bedroom. From first, let's move to the second bedroom, which is there on the opposite side, and it has a washroom attached to it. The developer is targeting possession by December 2028. We have multiple configurations into 3-bed, 4-bed, and if at all you are looking for a 5-bed, that's also possible. Coming to the last bedroom over here, which also has a washroom attached to it. You see the size of the washrooms are also pretty decent, and the size of the bedroom also. You have an amazing leg space. Once again, I repeat, one of the luxurious projects of Vile Parle West, spread across 3 acres of land parcel, multiple 15-story towers, multiple configurations of 3, 4, and 5 BHK. To know more, please do get in touch with us. Kalpesh Thakker from Jishnurealtorss. Thank you.